Did you know that 69% of employees are more likely to stay with a company for at least 3 years if they experience a great onboarding process? A strong start leads to long-term success. In today's video, we'll walk you through the 10 essential steps to effectively onboard new employees, ensuring they feel welcomed, engaged, and set up for success from day one. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pre-onboarding. Start the day before. The onboarding process begins before the employee's first day. Send them a welcome email, share necessary paperwork, and provide access to key company resources. This reduces first-day anxiety and allows them to hit the ground running. Step 2. Prepare a warm welcome. Make the first day special. A warm welcome sets the tone for their journey. Consider sending a welcome kit with company swag, personal notes, and an introductory guide to make them feel valued from the start. Step 3. Provide a clear onboarding plan. A structured onboarding plan keeps things organized. Outline what the first week, month, and quarter will look like. Setting clear expectations ensures new hires know what's ahead and how they'll be supported. Step 4. Assign a buddy or mentor. Pairing new employees with an onboarding buddy or mentor helps them integrate faster. This go-to person can answer questions, provide guidance, and make the transition smoother. Step 5. Introduce company culture and values. Help new hires understand your company's mission, vision, and values. A great way to do this is through an interactive orientation session, where they can engage with leadership and peers. Step 6. Provide essential training. Training is key to productivity. Offer structured training sessions on job-specific tasks, tools, and software. Don't overwhelm them. Gradual learning is more effective than information overload. Step 7. Set clear goals and expectations. Clearly define their role, responsibilities, and performance expectations. Set short-term and long-term goals to keep them motivated and aligned with company objectives. Step 8. Encourage social integration. A connected employee is a happy employee. Plan team lunches, social events, or virtual meetups to help them build relationships and feel part of the team. Step 9. Regular check-ins and feedback. Schedule weekly check-ins during the first few months. This helps address concerns early and provides an opportunity for feedback, both ways. A culture of open communication leads to better retention. Step 10. Evaluate and improve the onboarding process. Onboarding should evolve with employee needs. Gather feedback through surveys and interviews to continuously refine and enhance the process for future hires. An effective onboarding process sets the foundation for long-term success. By following these 10 steps, you'll not only retain top talent but also create an engaging and productive work culture. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more workplace success tips. Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest onboarding challenge? See you in the next video.